How to fix GTA 5 lag problem easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix GTA 5 lag problem. If you want to fix it, all you need to do just click settings and then go to update. Make sure to update your windows. After that, go to privacy, scroll down until you find here background apps. Now turn off all the applications here just by turning off the first option, and now go to gaming, turn off Xbox game bar, and then go to game mode and turn it on. After that, go to graphic settings and then turn on this option hardware accelerated, and that's it. After that, just right click here, go to task manager, go to startup. Now just close all the applications that you don't need, like NordVPN. Just right click on it and then click disable, then just close all of those and then restart your PC, and that's it. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.